So you must be doing some research online on some freelance jobs that you can do from home online. And that's exactly what this video is all about. So without any delay, let's go. Hi there, welcome to Freedom Lifestyle. Bruno Cimeiro here. I really hope that you are doing great. And today we're going to talk about some of the freelance jobs that you can do online, from home. And as you probably know, with all these things going on around the world, and with the pandemic and war, people are trying to find ways to stay safe, to put their skills or experience, in use at home somehow, and at the same time, earn that money, make some moolah. You probably know that now the best move that you can do is to start an online business. That something that's what you call safe now, because you probably are watching this video with a smartphone or a laptop. So you already have one of the strongest and most powerful, tools that you can use to create, I don't know, your freedom lifestyle. I guess that's the word. Like I was saying, with the internet, with your smartphone, you can work now from anywhere in the world. So that's the great advantage of doing jobs online. So as a freelancing, if you don't know what freelancing is, basically freelancing is you're borrowing your skills, you're selling your skills, you do jobs for other people, you do service for other people, and they pay you in return. People from basically all over the world pay you money so you can do tasks for them. And those tasks vary, depending on your skills or areas that you want to do those kind of jobs and all those stuff. That really depends. Basically, when you are doing freelancing, you can do copywriting. Nowadays a lot of people are creating websites and writing emails, newsletters, and all that. So they need people that is good at writing, that has a good understand of copywriting. So if you're a copywriter, you can do freelancing. There is also digital marketing. For example, as I'm recording this video, let's say, I used to be afraid of the camera. I couldn't stay in front of the camera like this. My body would start shaking and all that. So I could hire someone to do this video for me, to do this marketing for me. So you can do digital marketing. You can do, sell, your talents, your marketing skills for other people, instead of me being recording this video about freelancing. It would be other people here talking, and I would pay that people money. Also, you can do web development. Nowadays a lot of people are starting, creating platforms. And as I said, going online, there are a lot of business going online. They might want to create their own platform, develop their own software. So if you're a web developer, that's a great news for you. We have tons of things that you can do. You can do video editing, you can do music, you can do tasks such as data entry, transcribing. People can send you, for example, things like audios or videos that they want you to transcribe them. You're going to transform them from one source to another. Basically, that this includes transcribing, typing, changing data from one source to another, and all that. So the options are endless. Also, here are some of platforms that you can go and apply as a freelancer, and one of them is one of the most known platform. It's Fiverr, and it is very easy to apply to Fiverr. And as you do any physical business, they have some terms and conditions to, I advise you to go through them and to see what they allow on their platform and what they don't, and if they have some sort of requirement and all that. So it would be nice if you do that, for your own sake. There's also freelancer.com, there is Upwork. Those are the main freelancers platform knowing, in the internet. There are a lot of others freelancing platforms, but those are the main one, the most used by many. So do your your own work, do some research on them, and you can go through the website, you can see their information, you can go on YouTube, you can do platform review and all that. When it comes to how much you can be paid when doing freelance, that really depends on the areas that you are in, the work that you are doing, your experience, the time that you put to work and all that. So that really depends on the platform also. So if you have if you are experienced in some of those things that you want to do, those freelancing that you want to do, that would be some advantage for you. One of the disadvantage of doing freelancing is that you have to have some sort of skills, experience, or some basic skills on something. Like, you are limited to go to platforms and just apply to be a freelancer on that platform if you don't have any skill or experience or something like that, because they have to offer good service to people. So if you can't do that, they won't allow you on their platform. That's why I wanted to talk of one of the best business model, that I guess for me, that is affiliate marketing. If you never heard of it, affiliate marketing is basically one of business model that it is an online business model where you promote someone else's products and you get a commission in return. Basically, those products are digital, that they are downloadable. You can get access to them in, anywhere around the world. You can sell digital course, you can sell videos, music, PDF, and online programs and all that. Basically, you can be an affiliate to people that has some sort of online program, courses, or products or service that they want to sell. You can be their affiliate, you can partner with them, and you can help them sell their product. And every time someone buy that product through you, you get a commission. And when it comes to affiliate marketing, there's basically, you can be in any niche you can imagine. You can be in dog training, because nowadays people have no problem spending money on educating their dog, learn how to make their dog behave in a good manner and all that. So there is weight loss. Nowadays, the food that we're ingesting are not so that good, and people are gaining weight. If you have any experience or something like that, weight loss, this is your chance. Also, you can do spirituality. People are awakening and people want to learn more about themselves, the parallel world and all that, the spiritual world. So if you're someone that is on that journey, or you're someone that is knowledgeable on that topic, this is your chance, to share it with the world too. Basically, I've got a 4 days training that, it teaches all the basics about how you can start an affiliate marketing business. And if you're interested, you want to learn more, you want to learn all the basics, how it works, how you choose products, and how you set up your funnel and all that, just click first link right below this video. You're gonna get those training. So if you have any question or any feedback you want to share, you can leave in the comment below. And if you like this video, just leave some thumbs up. And if you're not a member, just remember to subscribe. Take care.